In this section, we're going to continue to talk about the shading preview options. As you can see, I still have 3 spheres here, and my Shade Tools menu is still open. Again, to get to that, we go up here to our Shaded Viewport tool, hold down the left click, and then we can drag, based on the toolbar here, we can drag this menu around. Now, something that we haven't looked at yet is something called Ghost or X-ray viewport. Now let's take a look here. If I'm to turn this into a simple shaded viewport, you can see where the spheres collide with each other. I'll turn off my flat shaded mode. The spheres, the parts of them which collide are no longer visible. In other words, we can't see through these objects. However, if I left click there on X-ray, you get a somewhat more jumbled depiction of the shading, which shows you the wireframes of all 3 objects, despite the fact that they are covering up one another. A little fancier way to do this is to right click here, and it gives you your Ghost viewport, Ghost shaded preview. Now what that does is makes everything a little bit transparent, as you can see here. Again, the preview does not apply while you're moving the object. As you can see, the wireframe held by my mouse cursor remains a simple wireframe. It's not shaded while I'm moving it around in real time. As soon as I let it go, it becomes shaded again. Now here, if I zoom in here, you can see with the Ghost preview, I can even see my origin, my axis lines through the sphere itself. This can be helpful when you're working with shapes with a lot of depth. And again, I can toggle Selected, this button here, which will allow me to view only the current selected model as a shaded object.